by. It is the hedge in my lawn is regularly trimmed. I take good care of my toys. So it is I, the subject. Okay, you take good care of what? Of your toys. Okay, so my toys is the object. Now bring the object ahead, my toys, because it is plural, so we'll be using are. Okay, third form of the verb take is take, took, taken. Okay, and good care of extra words, so you'll be using it as same. Add by. Now I, when you drag behind, it becomes me. So it is my toys are taken good care of by me. Number 5. This book contains many colorful pictures. So it is this book, subject, so put a box, contains verbs, underline it. Many colorful pictures is the object, so you have to circle it. Now bring the object ahead, many colorful pictures. Because we are talking about pictures, so you are going to use are. Okay, so after using are, the verb in its third form, contain, contained, contained. So contained, are contained. Okay. Instead of using only the subject at the back, this book, so how it sounds, many colorful pictures are contained this book. So in some cases, children, you have to add the preposition. Okay, so it becomes many colorful pictures are contained in this book. Number 6, people do not take the law seriously. So it's people, the subject, so box it. Do take is the verb, so underline it. Not is a negative word. The laws is the object. Now you bring the object ahead, the laws, because it's plural, so you will be using are. Okay, usually do and does gets replaced with am is are. So when you're using any one of them, you try to eliminate this. Okay, then use a negative word as it is. Third form of the verb take, took, taken. Okay, so the laws are not taken by the people seriously, or you can have the laws are not taken seriously. Add by fourth step and drag the subject at the last, the people. So it becomes the laws are not taken seriously by the people. Question number 7 is an interrogative statement given to you. Then too, our first step will be to find subject, verb and object. So it's he, subject, put a box. No, actually the verb is does know. Okay, so underline it, and me, you have to circle it. Okay, now as I've told you, in interrogative, if it is WH, you will bring down same. But if it is do, does, did, okay, then it could be replaced with the helping verbs. So do and does gets replaced with am, is, are. That depends upon what object you're going to bring ahead. I'm going to bring me, that becomes I, and with I we always use am. Okay, then you have to use am, bring the object ahead I. Third form of the verb know, that is know, new, known. So it's known. By, fourth step, and he becomes him. So does he know me? Answer for that is am I known by him? Okay, and question mark. Number 8, don't rumors cause much damage? So it's again same thing. Okay, so rumors is the subject, box it. Don't cause is the verb, underline it. Much damage is the object, you have to circle it. Now you are going to bring much damage ahead, but before bringing it, we have to take care that as it is an interrogative statement, we can either begin this with WH questions, or we have to begin them with the verbs. Okay, helping verbs. Now as I've told you, do and does gets replaced with am, is, are. Now what are you going to bring ahead? You are going to bring much damage, singular. So what would you be using? Is. Okay, now because it is do not, okay, do gets replaced with is, but not remains not. So don't changes to isn't. Okay, negative, if it is, you have to keep negative itself in the answer. Okay, so it's isn't, then bring the object ahead, much damage. Third form of the verb cause, caused. Fourth step, by, and take the subject at the last, so it becomes isn't much damage caused by rumors. Number 9, what do you need? Now children, same thing we'll go for. First you have to put a box at the subject. So you need. Okay, so you is a box, you as a subject, so you have to box it. Do, need is the verb. Now children, notice here there is no object. Why there is no object here? Because that only I am asking, what do you need? That means what object? This what stands for the object here. Okay, but because it is WH, what am I going to do is put a triangle as I've taught to you. Fine. And triangles are always brought down in the same manner. Fine. So I'll bring down the WH questions, that is what. Now this also I've taught you children that WH is a best friend with helping verbs, and BEB form of the verbs and the third form of the verbs are best friend. So with WH, as soon as you put WH, do take care that immediately you put helping verb with it because they are best friends. Fine. Now because it is do, so you're going to put either am, is or are. You are going to bring you on what, singular it is. So you will write what is. Now verb in its third form, need, needed. So needed, add by, and you remains you, though it is used as subject or used as object. So the answer will be what is needed by you. Now number 10, how much money do you save in a year? Okay, so now children, though money is used first, you can see here, though money comes first here in the statement, but I have circled this. This means I have taken it as an object. Okay, do you save in a year? Children, in some sentences, to trick, the object can be placed first. Okay, but who needs actually the money? You. So you is the doer of the action. So box you. Do save, you have to underline, it's a verb. You save what? You save money. So money is your object, though it is placed with the question word. And how much? You have to put a triangle because it is a question word. And as it is a question word, you have to bring down in the same manner. So bring how much as it is. Okay. Now our next step is to bring what? You have to bring the object ahead. Okay. Now object is already here, money. So how much money? Now do gets replaced with am, is, are. Because it is money. So we'll be using is. So it is how much money is. Third form of the verb, save, saved, saved. Fourth step, add by. Fifth step, take the subject at the last. You remains you. And in a year are extra words. So it is how much money is saved by you in a year. Thank you.